Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about custom URL in YouTube. Having your own custom URL in YouTube whenever you're going ahead and promoting your channel and your business right through YouTube. Before I get to the content, if this is your first time at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. It should be right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now let's dive deep into the content about creating your own custom URL. Now the first thing you want to be able to do is go right to your home page. So log in to YouTube, your own YouTube channel. The problem I see in the marketplace is the fact that people have their own YouTube channel, but they're not branding themselves properly in terms of having their own name in the URL. As you can see, look at this. If I was wanting somebody to view this channel or even subscribe to this channel, I would have to drag this whole thing over there and they would have to see it. It's kind of like a long tail, URL, but today you're going to learn how to go ahead and get your own custom URL. So the first thing, go ahead and go to your home page and go ahead and log in. The next thing, you want to go right here at the corner here. It should be your channel icon. Your channel icon. You want to click there and you want to go down to settings. I'll move my box right here. So you go down to settings. And as you see, when you go here, you want to be able to see this page that says settings, account, notification. So you want to go ahead and go to advanced settings. Advanced settings. So go ahead and go to advanced settings. And so when we get to advanced settings, we want to specifically look at where the custom URL is coming from. So check it out. Channel settings, custom URL. Your custom URL. Now, as you see, I've already created one already, and it has my branded name right at the end of YouTube.com. That's exactly what you want in terms of branding yourself, branding your business inside YouTube as affiliate marketer, entrepreneur, network marketer, any type of online business. You definitely want to have a presence if you have a YouTube channel, personalize it in your business. So now we're going to go ahead and create it. So if you haven't created your custom URL, this here will basically prompt you to go ahead and create it. You'll click on this here and it will basically ask you to what name you want to go ahead and put it. So you can put your name or the company organization as well. But before you create it, there are a couple of things you do need to have before you start the customization. You definitely need to have 100 subscribers to your channel. 100 subscribers needs to be at least on your channel. Your channel needs to be active at least 30 days. At least 30 days. Your channel needs to be active 30 days. And also, you need to have your channel icon information filled out. So you need to at least have some type of picture there. You need to have something representation about your channel. So basic information in your channel, that needs to be filled out as well. And also a bonus here, you can only change your custom URL only 3 times a year. Now I've already changed it twice already, so I only have one more time that I actually can change that. So those are kind of the rules that you need to know. But another thing that I'm going to show you as well, let's say you already have a custom URL. If you already have a custom URL, you want to go to the specific website at aboutme.google.com. So you want to go right at the top here, aboutme.google.com. You go right there and it's going to go ahead and go to your Google About Me page. What we're looking for is where it says sites. Right here is already my custom URL that I've already created in the past. But let's say I want to change that. I want to completely change the name. Like Adam Shelton here, let's say I want to say a different name or a different organization. So you want to click right here that says sites. And right here, this is the URL that I created. But if I want to change it, click on the X. Right here, it's going to prompt you to say, hey, do you want to change this? That's basically what it's saying. So it's saying, are you sure you want to remove your custom URL? Now, I do not want to remove it, but if you do, you will hit continue, and it's going to prompt you what name you want to be associated with YouTube.com. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. And that is a way how you can change your custom URL. It's really, really cool feature here. I think it's so important to have any type of branding when it's talking about your channel. And one more thing I want to show you here. I'm going to back it up here. Remember this part right here that I just showed you? I'm going to click on here and you're going to see the URL, the custom URL. So I'm going to click here and it's going to go right to the home page of the channel. I want to make sure, I'm going to go ahead and stop this for a minute. So check this out. Look at this. Look at that. It has my name in there. And it's not that long URL stuff that I was showing you earlier. It's just branded to your name at the end. You know, www.youtube.com and then eventually your name. That's branding right there. So that's all the branding things I wanted to show you today about your online business. And also, if you need to create an online business, or you need somebody to help you to create a new online business, I've got a great opportunity. I have a link right below this video. You'll be part of my team in terms of growing your online business. Go ahead and go towards that freedom lifestyle, work from home, really helping a lot of people out in terms of building an influence online. You want to click on that link below to go ahead and get started. You'll go ahead and be walked through this unbelievable system that has all the coaching and mentorship and capture pages and videos to help you grow your influence and your business. But you click on the link below to go ahead and get started. You'll be part of my team. You know, I'll hold you accountable. We'll work together. We'll go ahead and have a great, great year on towards success. On towards success. So that's all I have for you because I care about you. And I'll see you in the next video. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to talk about other ways of how you can make money from home. Definitely don't want to miss the next video. I'll see you later. This is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.